Yeah, hey. There's 1,000 ways to trade, but somehow I found ICT. 2022 mentorship, that's all I really need. I tried supply demand, I tried VWAP, goddamn, that shit just never worked. I've broken my whole plan, the lessons never end. I'm full port and then got murked.
Hey bro, it's Dodgy here, got a secret to share. IFVGs are what you need. Stop learning other crap, your bank account will collapse. Target equal highs and see.
Oh shit, think that I just hit take profit. I keep making this money, can't stop it. Make sure you aren't too late or you'll miss it. Damn, thank you, Dodgy. I wouldn't be profitable without you.
No problem.
Without you.
No problem. I was down bad in my mom's basement, so I stopped for nice scrims. I put down the sticks I needed to change. I turn all my losses to wins.
Trading's really a grind. This shit ain't overnight. Now I know what I gotta do. I ain't changing my stride. I ain't ever going back. New York session, that's that. Making racks upon racks. Oh, I know it's 'cause of you that I'm gonna make it out of Dodgy, bro. You should know the payouts are coming and that's how it's gonna be. Oh shit, think that I just hit take profit. I keep making this money, can't stop it. Make sure you are too late or you'll miss it. Damn, thank you, Dodgy. I wouldn't be profitable without you. No problem. Without you. No problem.
Guys, help me. We made too much money. They're arresting all the ICT traders.
Get in the cell! Dodgy, we can do this the easy way or the hard way.
What? What do you want?
I need you to tell me the truth.
What?
Who told you about IFVG?
I'm not telling you!
Tell me!
No!
Was it ICT?
Yes.
You're lying!
Yo, ICT, they got him, bro. Michael, you need to get here now. Just deploy it. Alright, I'll see you soon. Alright, there's an A+ IFVG setup. Alright, I'm in. Let's go. Yo, Dodgy. Yo, Dodgy, wake up, bro. A+ IFVG setup. I just smacked TP.
Where?
I just smacked TP. ICT just deployed it. The private jet, let's go! Yo, ICT got us, dude. Let's fucking go. Where are we going, man? Where are we going? Should we go to ICT Island? TJR Island? Where should we go?
Dude, let's just go to ICT Island. Let's meet the man himself, bro.
Let's do it, man.
Yeah, let's do it.
Hot damn! Did he just get some gold? Yes, I did.
IFVGs are real, bro.
Absolutely wouldn't want to be here tomorrow.
I was trading supply and demand. I really switched my whole strat and became profitable.
Insane, bro. Yeah, you took that buy side A+ setup today.
Yeah, bro.
Let's go, baby.
Target equal highs and see.